What's the meaning of connive? Connive. Connive.
Connive. Connive. The word connive means to secretly plan or conspire with someone to do something wrong or illegal. It often involves a sneaky or secretive approach to achieving a desired outcome. When someone connives, they are acting in a manipulative and deceptive manner. The result of conniving can be harmful to others and lead to negative consequences such as broken trust and damaged relationships. It is important to avoid conniving behavior and instead strive for honesty and transparency in all interactions.